you can live your life connected to the gratitude that comes from air, water, and light, your life is transformed instantly. I just want you to do an exercise that has helped me tremendously through several experiences in my life where I felt disconnected or I felt like I needed to ground myself more. Anyway, just try it and tell me in the comments. Imagine a fish, how its life would be if it had the conscious power, the conscious attention to understand that water around him was pure love. How would the fish life would be if the fish would believe that water was pure love? And now let's bring that to our experience. How would your life be? How would my life be if I would think of air as pure love? And we don't have that contact with air perhaps very often. If you jump on a motorcycle and you're going, 80 miles an hour on the highway, you're going to feel the force of the air as you're pushing through the air. The air is mass. There is matter here. Is the medium in which we, move through. So if I start to feel that all this air, all this matter around me, this medium is pure love or pure peace or pure joy, and just feel how the body starts to feel different. If I experience the space around me as the environment that contains me is nothing but love, nothing but joy, I start to move around, and I experience chills down my spine as I move around in the medium of love. And you might be asking, well, but that's not true. Air is not love. And I will challenge that. Air is one of the closest things to love that we can experience. The fact that trees are giving you oxygen so that you can be conscious in this moment. That oxygen that you're breathing is not coming from a machine, it's not coming from our artificial source. That oxygen is coming from a tree that is asking nothing in return. Air is love. If you cannot take the next breath and feel even a little bit of love that the universe is giving you, that the world is giving you, that the trees around you are giving you, the flowers. And if you think about it, everything is conspiring in your favor. For the trees to be there, for the flowers to be there, the bees had to be there. For the bees to be there, everything else pretty much has to be a certain way. Everything is in the perfect order so that you and I have a conscious moment right now. When you understand the orchestra of events that have had to happen and are happening right now for you and me to be breathing, to be conscious of light, conscious of water, the next cup of water that you take is going to have a lot of meaning. The next breath you take is going to have a lot of meaning. And if you can live your life connected to the gratitude that comes from air, water, and light, your life is transformed instantly. This water, air, and light that I'm sharing with you, it's not a new thing. It's been talked about for thousands of years. If you're familiar with the teachings of Jesus, he said it. They are the pillars of our mother nature. The value is there. The beautiful aspects of life are always there. If we don't see them, it's not really anybody's fault but our own. Anyway, love you all. Bye-bye.